This is definitely irritating here. It's literally stuck at arrives 22nd October to 28th October. It is literally stuck at this processing. Literally not able to understand what's going on with Apple. That is the reason I've decided to do this. I wanted to literally snatch the phone out of the screen. Enough is enough. Let's do it. Okay, it is pretty simple. Don't try this at home because it might work, it might not work, depends on how closely you're connected to Apple, how much of an Apple sheep you are. But still, try karke dekho, maybe it will work. Just open the Apple website, doesn't matter which one, Indian website or the global website, and you have to do this. Just check if everything is fine. iPhone 13 Pro, we need 13 Pro Max. Much better. Just kidding, that is an editing technique. Obviously, itna simply I can't open the iPhone and show it to you like that. We have to do the unboxing. We already did it. Here's the unboxing in 3, 2, 1. Get ready to witness my kidneys in a box. Oh yes, I'm so happy, dude. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is finally here. Let's unbox some happiness. Let's unbox my anxiety. Let's unbox my kidneys, heart and lungs. Wow, look at this box here. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I think this is the real size of it. Anyways, I'll be taking it out and setting it up and I will be showing it to you guys. But the excitement, okay? There is shiny iPhone font which is kind of in a blue color. I think that is trying to match with this. iPhone this side, Apple logo this side. Let's break the seal. Wow, this color is really something. I don't know if we're getting the right colors on the camera. Let's keep this aside. Let's see what's there inside the box. I mean, nothing much. We have to use the old charging brick. Instruction manual. This is not instruction manual. Apple, you're getting smart. Not wasting too much of paper on instruction manuals. Nowadays, everything is on YouTube, so we don't need that. SIM card ejector. Let's put all this back. It's okay, right? You should be excited for some things in your life. I know thoda excitement is a little bit extra, but it's okay. This is how I'm feeling right now. I will project it. This is the C-type to lightning cable. Well, now let's put all this aside, all the dabbas, covers. Here's the phone and let's rip this paper out. First time. The display is amazing. My old iPhone 13 Pro already looks old now. Fonts are so crisp. Quick start. You can either set it up manually or it says bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set it up. I have to get close to it. What does it? Whoa! You see this? See, this is what I like about Apple here. Everything is so seamless and clean. Unlock it. Just get close. See that? Okay, I need to scan this fancy Iron Man looking, Avengers looking scan using this. Everything got copied onto this new phone now. Even my passcode. This new phone mirrored my old phone completely. After that particular scene where I got really excited that everything got transferred very quickly, no, it is still happening. Thing is, it got restarted and software update started. 15.1, the latest version of iOS. Because of that, it took approximately almost 1.5 hours. Entire data to be transferred, including photos, videos, everything. And still, as you can see, apps are getting loaded. By the way, this is the color in proper daylight. Right now I'm carrying both of my phones because I don't have phone signal on this right now. This one has a eSIM. Also it's got a physical SIM. All those transfers I'll do later. Right now I'm carrying my phone with me because I'm too excited to leave it at home. And also I'll try to capture some vlogs on this. We can't compare it to this particular camera. This is a professional level Sony a7S III. It's a dedicated proper full frame mirrorless camera, so no comparison. So this is one important thing done. And second thing, I'll have to parcel this. Also guys, in the last video about my BMW 1250, I shown you how the clear waters look, but then I showed it to you in the dark. You might have not understood the scale of the light size. I know those are huge, right? Ericas were almost 30% lesser than this. So we've installed the Super 7s, and these are the Darlas. These are Chotu ones, smaller than the stock BMW lights, but then trust me, these are at least 3 or 4 times more intense than these. 70% of you guys can go with the Darlas, but if you want something like Pro Max Plus, then Super 7s are the way to go. By the way, a lot of people were thinking, doesn't it affect the oncoming traffic? It will definitely do that if you use it. Forget about these lights. Even Honda Activa's high beam is very powerful. So using high beams is not at all recommended unless and until it is really required. People are unnecessarily using it. Don't do that. I use it only when it is required, especially when I'm going for long tours and there is like pitch darkness and when there is absolutely no oncoming traffic. Come on, yaar, you have to be responsible. By the way, strictly following the diet once again, trying to carry my protein shake and all that, but yes, oats is missing for now. It has become a very big struggle for me right now, and I have to stop myself from eating junk. But I know myself, this is how it is for some time. Once again, we'll get back. If we get back, we'll get back very strong. Abhi to we are building muscle, but muscle ke saath we are putting on fat as well. By the way, we can't risk the iPhone like this. We have to put a cover on it. Even before I got the iPhone, I got the cover first. We got the leather case for it, so let's put it. Though we have the Apple Care, but still, I don't want to risk it. It's a proper piece of glass in your hand. When you wanted to drop it and test it, it will work. But when it accidentally falls, pakka it'll be a crack. Beautiful, right? Today is a day of iPhone only. We wait for such a beautiful color and then we slap a case on it. Doesn't matter what color is there inside now. But yeah, when you put this, there should be a ring or something coming up. See that? Fancy Apple stuff. Oh, nice. It feels good now. It doesn't feel good, but it feels secure. Otherwise, it's definitely slippery because you're holding proper glass. Okay, now let me check out the camera. That is the first thing you have to check out. Photographic styles and stuff. Let's vlog on this. Right from the same spot, I'll vlog with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. What's up guys, kaise ho? Hope everyone's doing great. This is my new iPhone 13 Pro Max and this is how it sounds. This is how the video is. Obviously, you can't compare it to this one, but when you need some quick shots, you can't hold this huge camera. But still, I should say, the noise level is much better than the older iPhone. So let's go. I am stuck here at the railway crossing. I just wanted to appreciate how people are maintaining a line. I mean, look at this. Everyone is in a proper line except for a few morons like these. Heavy, deep, crazy red blood lines here. Full on traffic chal raha, next level traffic, and this person is gonna kill me now. But how is the front facing camera? Piche ka camera is definitely understandable, it is huge, but samne ka camera, is it good? Is it bad? Is there a lot of noise? How is the audio? It is literally almost dark, This is like minimal lighting. That is a ring light we have in this lift. How is the noise? Here na, blacksmith, there is noise.
See, 13 Pro Max. I'm happy, you just have to change the screen. Phone is still good because of this cover. नहीं तो nice shoe बहुत पहले तोड़ देती.
You have a cover for your laptop as well.
I do. This is very dear to me.
What is this new game? Huh? Hey, no. Mama. Okay, bye.
You what you talking about? Bye.
Nice to say. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Say it.
Okay, bye.
That's a new thing. She'll say okay, bye for everything, no?
And she'll also say
Okay,
take.
bye.
Nice to say take care. No sweet. That's for McFlurry.
Quickly, we came for a small outing, micro outing, nano outing.
Outing, just to
Outing we just
thoda
came
sa drive.
to McDonald's. Pooja is continuing her office. She has to go back to office not every single day, but at least alternate
Started
days.
going a little ज़्यादा.
Coming from Malkajgiri. I keep coming. I got used to it now. For some more time, we have to manage all this. Let's have some coffee. Okay, we are back home. Final quick review about the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. First thing is for sure, you have to get used to this size. It is massive. It is like a small tablet. Already have like huge hand. Look at these hands. But definitely this phone, it's so cute in the hand. I can reach all the corners of the screen easily. I definitely need to use two hands sometimes. Especially if I have to pull down the notifications and all that, I have to use two hands. But then battery advantage. Because of that size, get that nice immersive experience when you're watching videos and all that. More than that, the battery life is Doesn't matter how much I used, half day went and still at 85%. For now, pretty happy with it. I mean, it doesn't matter if you like it or not. You have to like it. You spend so much. Now the biggest question of the day. Should I sell the old phone? Let me think. I think 90% I will be selling it, and I maintained it really well because I love my Apple products. Not a single scratch on it. But right now I'm not sure. Maybe in the next vlog I'll make a decision, and definitely I'll tell you guys if I'm selling it. If anyone's interested, definitely let me know. But yes, this captured a lot of memories for me. Having said that, we need money to recover these losses. That is the main reason I'll be selling it. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Now, this vlog was more about the iPhone. In case you liked something about the vlog, do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the